होस्ट हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज हम आपको ऑनलाइन पैसे कमाने के 5 टॉपिक्स पर जानकारी देंगे। Whether you are a student, a professional, or a homemaker, these online earning opportunities can help you make money from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. Topic 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. There are various freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr that connect freelancers with clients. You can offer services like content writing, graphic designing, web development, and many more. The key is to showcase your skills and build a strong portfolio. Topic 2. Online surveys. Online survey host. Online surveys are an easy way to make money. Many companies pay users for participating in surveys and providing their opinions. Websites like Swagbucks, Tolana, and Panel Place offer paid survey opportunities. You can sign up, complete surveys, and earn money or redeem gift cards. It's a simple way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Topic 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing host. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, and Share Sale. Create content, such as product reviews or tutorials, and include your unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Topic 4. Online tutoring. Online tutoring host. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to earn money. Many platforms like tutor.com, Wait-On-To, and Chegg offer opportunities to teach students online. You can teach subjects like math, science, languages, or even offer music lessons. Set your own schedule, connect with students around the world, and get paid for sharing your knowledge. Topic 5. Content creation. Content creation host. Content creation has gained tremendous popularity. You can create videos on platforms like YouTube and earn money through ads, brand collaborations, and sponsorships. Similarly, blogging allows you to write about your interests, monetize your blog through ads or sponsored content. Engaging content can attract a loyal audience, leading to a steady income stream. Conclusion. होस्ट तो ये भी आपके लिए 5 ऑनलाइन अर्निंग टॉपिक्स, फ्रीलांसिंग, ऑनलाइन सर्वेज, एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग और कंटेंट क्रिएशन। इन सब अपॉर्चुनिटीज में से आप अपने इंटरेस्ट और स्किल्स के अनुरूप चुन सकते हैं। धीरे धीरे काम करके आप अपने घर से ऑनलाइन पैसे कमा सकते हैं। ये बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल और एक्सेसिबल तरीका है अपने टैलेंट को पैसे में बदलने के लिए। Host, we hope you found these online earning topics useful. Thank you for joining us today. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल या सुझाव है तो हमसे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करें। Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning online. The new /thank you.